Hello student, myself Desle Sheetal. Welcome to our third online session. In last lecture, we see about IUPAC names of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, rules for naming trivial and IUPAC names of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Today we start new point, preparation of aldehydes and ketones. We prepare aldehydes and ketone first by oxidation of alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones are prepared by the oxidation of primary and secondary alcohol respectively. A weak oxidant converts primary alcohol to aldehydes and strong oxidant converts primary alcohol to carboxylic acid. Secondary alcohols oxidize to give ketone and tertiary alcohol oxidize to give carboxylic acids. By the reduction of aldehydes, we get a primary alcohol, and by the oxidation of primary alcohol we get aldehydes. In this, ketones are also formed the reduction of secondary alcohols, and by the oxidation of secondary alcohols we get ketones. In the second reaction, the secondary alcohol are prepared from ketone, and by the oxidation we get ketone from the secondary alcohol. The second method for preparation of aldehydes and ketone is by dehydrogenation of alcohols. This method has industrial application. Aldehydes and ketones are prepared by passing the vapors of primary and secondary alcohol respectively. By primary alcohol we get aldehydes in the presence of oxalic acid, and secondary alcohol gives ketone. When alcohol is heated with metallic copper at 300 degrees Celsius, it undergoes dehydrogenation and to give different products. In this, primary alcohol gives aldehydes and secondary alcohol gives ketones. Next method for preparation of aldehydes and ketone from hydrocarbons. In hydrocarbons, first method is by ozonolysis. Alkene reacts with ozone to give ozonide, with on decomposition of with zinc dust and water gives aldehyde or ketones. The carbon-carbon double bond gets cleave on reaction with ozone followed by reduction. This overall process of formation of ozonide by reaction of ozone with alkene in the first step, and then decomposing it to the carbonyl compound by reduction in the second step is called ozonolysis. Ozone gas is passed into solution of the alkene in an inert solvent like carbon tetrachloride. Unstable alkene ozonide is obtained. This is subsequently treated with water in presence of a reducing agent zinc dust to form carbonyl compound, namely as aldehydes or ketone. In this reaction, first we form alkene ozonide and then ethene ozonide and from propene we prepare propene-ozonide, and last form the acetaldehyde and formaldehyde. The second method is bihydration of alkynes. It is similar to hydration of alkenes. In this, the addition of the first water molecule, as with alkenes, the alkynes require a strong acid, usually sulfuric acid, with a mercuric sulfate. In this reaction, alkynes can be hydrated to form enols that immediately tautomerize to ketones, and we use reagent as aqueous H2SO4 with mercury salt. It prefers Markovnikov's rule. The rule states that when an unsymmetrical reagent is added to unsymmetrical alkene, the negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon atom which carries less number of hydrogen atoms. According to this rule, in this reaction, the alkynes react with water in presence of 40% sulfuric acid and 1% mercuric sulfate to form aldehydes or ketones, that is carbonyl compounds. In this reaction, we add water. First, alkynes react with water to form unstable molecule. Then, after tautomerism, we form carbonyl compound. For example, ethine plus water at 40% H2SO4 and 1% mercuric sulfate gives vinyl chloride. After tautomerism gives ethanol, and final product is propanone. We take other method for preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Some methods of preparation of aldehydes and ketones involve common starting functional group but different types. First, we see from acyl chloride. The preparation of aldehydes from acyl chlorides. In this reaction, the acyl chloride is reduced to corresponding aldehyde by hydrogen using a palladium catalyst against with barium sulfate. Next is the preparation of aliphatic ketones from acyl chlorides. The ketones are obtained from acyl chlorides by reaction with dialkyl cadmium, which is prepared by the treatment of cadmium chloride with Grignard reagent. In this, we take example, that is the ethanyl chloride reaction with dimethyl cadmium gives propanone or acetone, and another one example, that is the benzoyl chloride is react with dimethyl cadmium. After the reaction, we prepare the acetophenone. These are the two examples for the preparation of aliphatic ketones from acyl chlorides. In this reaction, we use dialkyl cadmium and we prepare the aliphatic ketones. Next point, we see the preparation of aromatic ketones from acyl chlorides. In this reaction, benzene or substituted benzene undergoes treatment with an acid chloride or acid anhydride to form ketones. The reaction occurs in presence of catalysts such as Lewis acid, such as anhydrous AlCl3. In this Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction involves the addition of an acyl group to an aromatic ring. This is done by an acid chloride and a Lewis acid catalyst AlCl3. In this reaction, we take an example, that is when benzene is react with chloride gives acetophenone. In this reaction, the aromatic ketones are prepared by Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, and when benzene or its derivative is treated with the aromatic compound, or benzene is react with ethanol chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 gives acetophenone, and byproduct is hydrochloric acid. In this reaction, the acyl group is a carbonyl group with an alkyl group attached to carbonyl carbon, and acyl chloride is an acyl group bonded to a chlorine atom. The benzene or its derivative is treated with acyl chloride in presence of the anhydrous aluminum chloride. It gives corresponding ketone. This reaction is known as a Friedel-Crafts acylation. The benzene react with acetyl chloride in presence of catalyst AlCl3 at 80 degrees Celsius gives acetophenone, that is the yield of the reaction. Next point is the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. Nitriles are reduced to imine hydrochloride by stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid, which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding aldehydes. This reaction is called as a Stephan reaction. In this reaction, the alkane nitrile involves the preparation of aldehydes from nitriles using tin chloride, hydrochloric acid, and the resulting ammonium salt with water. During the synthesis, the ammonium chloride is also produced. In Stephan reduction, the preparation of aldehyde from nitriles using the stannous chloride in presence of hydrochloric acid, which on hydrolysis gives aldehydes. For example, the benzonitrile in presence of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid gives benzaldehyde and ammonium chloride. Alternatively, nitriles are also reduced by diisobutyl aluminum hydride to imines followed by acid hydrolysis to aldehydes. An advantages of this method is that double or triple bond present in the same molecule is not reduced. Next is the preparation of ketones from nitriles. Ketones are prepared by reacting nitriles with Grignard reagent in dry ether as solvent followed acid hydrolysis. The nitriles react with Grignard reagent to give ketones. The strongly nucleophilic organometallic reagent add to C triple bond N in a similar fashion to that seen for aldehydes and ketones. For example, benzonitrile in presence of Grignard reagent in dry ether as a solvent gives benzophenone